Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make slow motion video in CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application and I'm going to create slow motion video with this video. And basically guys, if we want to create a slow motion video, we have to change the speed of our video. So we can tap on the video and we can go to speed right here, click on the speed option, and here we can select normal or curve. If you want to change the speed of your video normally or constantly, you can select normal. But if you want to make the speed slower and faster on the same video, you can select curve. And here there are some templates you can use. You can also select custom, but here I'm just going to select normal because I want to change the speed normally or constantly. And we can reduce the speed if we want to create slow motion video. For instance, I'm going to select 0.5, and then we can click on this check mark after we're done selecting the speed. You can also make your video smoother by tapping on the smooth slow motion, and you can select faster process or better quality. And here I'm just going to click on this check mark, and this is the result. Okay, as you can see that the video is slower than before. I'm going to show you the after and before. Okay, this is the normal speed and this is the slow motion video. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can create a slow motion video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.